Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bunk's Coins and welcome to In the Post 4. I have an envelope here and I have several items that I've received in the post over the last few days. Now, let's get them all out. Come on, that's one. Now, these two coins here are from around about the same time. They are Georgian coins. One of them's a halfpenny Georgian and the other one is a halfpenny mining token from Anglesey. I will be showing these off in more detail in an upcoming video. So those are two of the coins that I got. Now I'm not sure if I mentioned the Anglesey token in the last post or not. It was around about that time that I received it. I also got one of these cards, one of these trading cards. If anybody's short of trading cards, my email is in the description below. Fire me up, tell me which ones you want, and then if I've got any of them that are spare, then by all means we'll set up a trade. So, and that one there is the People's Act from 1918. That came with this, which is a Team GB. It is the 2021 Team GB. I've also got the 2020 Team GB, and both of these, this one and the other one, will be going into the sports album along with this. Now this is something quite unique. There are two versions of this particular badge. There's this one, and then there's the one without the flags and the Olympic rings on. This is from the Tokyo Olympics, and it is a competitor's lapel badge. Not just a Team GB lapel badge, but a Team GB competitor's lapel badge. So they're quite rare, or they're not as numerous as the other Team GB one. So I'll be showing those in the video that I do with the sports update. I have now got the coloured version of this London Around the World in 80 Days. I've also got the standard one, which is in colour, and I'll be doing a review on both of those together. Pobjoy Mint. This one is the last in the series of ships, the 6 ship coins. This is HMS Invincible. Is it Invincible or is it... HMS Formidable, which is that coin there. Again, I will be showing that off and showing you the complete collection. This last one is a very special one. Oops. This one is a very special one. Up until a few weeks ago, this coin, or this pack, had been sold out, and Westminster found some more, and they did a draw to see who'd get the coins, and I was one of the lucky winners in the draw, and I got the new dual 50p Platinum Jubilee Bunk pack. Now the reason why these are so sought after and why they're so expensive if you buy them on the secondary market is that there was only 1,952 of them made in this presentation pack format. So I'm very lucky to have it. As I said, I won a lottery. I don't know how many they had, but I'm extremely glad to add it to my collection. Now, I haven't fully completed all of the others, all the other stuff, but I will be doing some more coin hunts in the near future, both world coin hunts, pre-decimal and animal coin hunts, and a couple more reviews over the next week or so. Now these will be coming out over the next, I would say by the end of June, by the first week in June, hopefully, if everything goes well. So, if you've been, I know this has been short, but if you've enjoyed this, can you please give me the thumbs up? And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I am trying to grow the channel this year. I'm up to 78 people, 78 subscribers, and I hope to hit 100. I've set myself a target of 100 by Christmas. I would hope to have a lot more than that, but you never know. You don't count your chickens before they hatch, as they say. In the meantime, thank you very much for staying to the end of the video. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. Until the next time when we all meet up again on this channel, from me, ta-ra now. Bye bye.